Hello class. Today we're going to learn how to solve for a variable in a linear inequality. This is the same thing as when we solved for linear equalities with a few extra rules to remember. So let's start off by solving for a variable in a pretty simple example. We'll take 2x minus 7 is greater than x. So we want to isolate our variable. So we'll do minus x on both sides to get x minus 7 is greater than 0. We'll add 7 to both sides to get x is greater than 7. So as we did in the previous lesson, we want to mark this on the number line. So let's draw our number line. Find 7, open circle on 7, and shade everything greater than the number 7. So now when we check this, which is a new rule from solving equalities, we want to check a number bigger than 7. So we'll pick the number 8 and plug it into our equation. So we have 2 times 8 minus 7 is greater than 8. So 2 times 8 is 16, minus 7 is greater than 8. 16 minus 7 is 9, which is greater than 8. So that checks out. So what happens if we have division solving for our variable? Well, let's find out. Let's take our previous example and expand on it. We'll have 2x minus 7 is greater than 5x plus 2. So again, we want to isolate our variable. So we're going to add 7 to both sides, which will give us 2x is greater than 5x plus 9. Then we'll subtract 5x from both sides, which will give us negative 3x is greater than 9. So here's where another new rule comes in. When you divide by a negative number, you want to flip your inequality sign. So you're going to get x is less than negative 3. You want to remember this because if you don't flip your inequality sign, your equation will not check out. So let's write this on our number line. We'll find negative 3, open circle on 3, and everything less than negative 3 is shaded. So let's check this. We're going to check it with negative 4. So 2 times negative 4 minus 7 is greater than 5 times negative 4 plus 2. So 2 times negative 4 is negative 8 minus 7 is greater than 5 times negative 4, which is negative 20, plus 2. So negative 8 minus negative 7, negative 8 minus 7 is negative 15, which is greater than negative 18, so it checks out. So let's continue on with another example where we have a greater than or equal to inequality symbol. So we're going to have 2x plus 1 is less than or equal to 5. So we're going to subtract 1 from both sides. And we'll have 2x is less than or equal to 5. Excuse me, this is 4. So 2x is less than or equal to 4. We'll divide 2 by both sides. And we get x is less than or equal to 2. So we'll draw this on our number line. Here's 2. We're going to put a closed circle on it because it's less than or greater to. And we'll shade everything that is less than 2. So we can check this. And since we have the inequality less than or equal to, we can use the number 2, but we'll still check it with a different number, and we'll check it with -1. So we'll do 2 times -1 plus 1 is less than or equal to 5. So we get -2 plus 1 is less than or equal to 5. And we get -1 is less than or equal to 5. So this checks out. So I hope you've enjoyed this short tutorial. Please continue on with the rest of the lesson, complete your homework, and the assigned project below.